This is how I'm gonna play. So I'm gonna spawn my sumo cat, which costs 200 cent, while I upgrade to level 5, because that's how I can get this legend rares. And yeah, so this sumo cat will fend off the enemies. Pretty cool. But in the harder stage where sumo cat will die, then I will be doomed. Yeah, cause there's nothing I can do. Okay, come on, I just need a few more. There, level 5. Now I just need to wait off while this sumo cat is fending off, while I try to get one of my legend rares, and then I'm gonna spawn another one later. Of course I'm not gonna upgrade because to level 6, because of course I'm gonna try to get that legend rare to make the video faster for you. Okay, now my subakat died, and I'm gonna spawn another one because I will not just let my base destroyed. Yes, a few more. Okay, this one actually took 100 less than 110 draws. It's pretty cool because it's cool, it's 0.3%, so it's kinda hard. Now I'm gonna spawn the other legend rare later, because maybe I'm gonna spawn it right now. Yeah, sure, let's go. I spawned the other one, which took so long to get, while the black legend rare took like only less than 110 draws. Okay, now we're gonna win. Okay, and okay, so now I'm gonna fire, even though it's already gonna be finished. Bam. Bye.